Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to fully delete your Roblox account. So the first thing you want to do is go to Google and then go to roblox.com. Then when it says roblox.com, you just want to delete the home and then type in support. Then it'll say contact us. So basically, we're going to be submitting a quest for them to delete our account. So put your username you want to delete. Then you don't have to put your first name, but you could. Then you want to add your email addresses. So let me just do that. Then once you've got your email addresses, you then want to fill out your issue details. So for this one, it says what device are you having your problem on, and you just pick your device. It doesn't really matter, so I'm just gonna pick Mac since that's the thing I'm on. And for category, you want to put data privacy requests. For this, you want to put other privacy requests, and then just say I'd like to delete this Roblox account with all data connected to the platform. Then just hit them with a nice thank you smiley face. Then you just hit continue. Of course, you'll have to do a verification, so let me just do that. Then once you're here, it will send a request, and then it will send you an email to the address that you put right here, and then you'll just have to verify your identity, and then you'll be able to delete your account.